Hello, today I want to pick this Lockman Megacross, which is a Japanese high pin count lock. It has 9 pins in total, 5 pins in the main stack, which is here, and then 4 side pins, which are a bit diagonal, like that, here. It's quite fun to pick, it gives some nice counter rotation, but these side pins are a little bit tricky to set for some reason. The high lifts mostly, especially these high lifts in the back. Okay, I'm gonna start with from the back. Okay. Okay, first set, 3, 2, 1. Now, oh sorry, let's actually get the small flag. 1, 2, 3 are good, 4 is good, I think, 5, good counter rotation. We are in a deeper false set. After touching, I think one false set is deeper. Let's set pin number 1 now. Where is it? Okay, 1 is set. 2 is set. 3. 1, 2. No. 3 we need. 3 we didn't manage to set. Our pick slipped. Come on. Again, no dice. Let's get a longer flag for that. And we have this open. Alright, that was a nice little picking. Very nice lock. Very fun. A little bit tricky, but not too difficult. Okay. This lock is a bit difficult to get. I mean, not really, but the outer housing is made of 2 parts, so you have to unscrew this one screw, which is a G's screw, and then, to not make it too easy to dismantle, there's another screw that's like 2.5 millimeter, I think. Nope. It's, I think I have used Torx for this, which was this one, yeah. Hex screw. Now we can like take it apart, which isn't that easy, really. I'm stupid. Forgot about that there's 2 more screws here from on this side. Yeah. Now it should be easier. Well, no shit. It is easier. Alright, now the top pins. Let's get a flatheads. Do it like that. Okay. One, two, three, 4, and 5, and 5, 4. Drivers are all the same. 3, 2. Doesn't want to come out. Okay. We have it. Maybe it's easier on this side. It really looks like. Ow. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we have it. I think these pins are all steel. These mushrooms really do give some deep false set and nice counter rotation. And overall, that's a pretty neat lock with a little bit unusual not order, like not alignment, but the way the rows are set up in this lock, that you have a top row and then you have like side but a little bit diagonal row. That's rather unusual. Okay, that's like over tightened, but there's not really anything cool in this core. I don't want to dismantle it, but I do have another Lockman here already dismantled. You can see it's the same, just slightly different formats. And there we have that. There we have this main stack, let's call it. And there's this side row. For the pins, yeah, let's take a closer look. The standard key pins with mushroom drivers and core centering ball bearing. That's pretty much it, I think. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Just a closer look again. I hope you enjoyed then. Have a nice day and bye bye.